A new prescription breathing life into old medicine. Imagine a library filled with books, each holding a secret. Some of these books, thought to be about one topic, actually hold the key to unlocking mysteries in completely different fields. This is the essence of drug repurposing. We take existing drugs, already deemed safe and effective for certain conditions, and explore their potential to treat other diseases. Why reinvent the wheel, when we can modify it to navigate new terrain? Drug repurposing, also known as drug repositioning, is gaining momentum in the scientific community. This innovative approach offers a way to accelerate the development of new treatments while reducing costs. It's like finding hidden treasure in your own backyard. By breathing new life into old medicine, we're unlocking a treasure trove of possibilities for treating some of humanity's most challenging diseases.
Before we journey further into the realm of drug repurposing, let's clarify some terms. Drug repurposing and drug repositioning are often used interchangeably. They both refer to the process of finding new uses for existing drugs. Now, let's talk about on-target and off-target effects. Imagine you're aiming a dart at a bullseye. Hitting the bullseye is an on-target effect. It's the intended outcome. But sometimes the dart might land slightly off the mark. That's an off-target effect. In the context of drug repurposing, on-target effects occur when a drug interacts with its intended molecular target, but for a different disease than what it was originally designed for. Off-target effects involve the drug interacting with different molecular targets, leading to unexpected but potentially beneficial outcomes. Understanding these terms provides a framework for understanding the science behind drug repurposing.
Developing a new drug from scratch is a bit like launching a spacecraft. It's a complex and costly endeavor. It takes years of research, countless experiments, and billions of dollars to bring a new drug to market. Drug repurposing, on the other hand, is like hitching a ride on a rocket that's already been built and tested. We're not starting from scratch. We're leveraging existing knowledge and resources to reach our destination faster and more efficiently. One of the most significant advantages of drug repurposing is the time saved. Bringing a new drug to market can take 10 to 15 years, sometimes even longer. Repurposing an existing drug can cut that time down significantly, potentially bringing life-saving treatments to patients much sooner. Cost savings are another major benefit. The pharmaceutical industry invests billions of dollars annually in research and development. Repurposing drugs can significantly reduce these costs, making it a more sustainable approach to drug development. Perhaps the most crucial advantage of drug repurposing is its potential to save lives. By accelerating the development of new treatments, we can provide hope and healing to patients battling diseases that currently have limited therapeutic options.
Section 4. In the lab and on the screen. How we find new uses for old drugs. Finding new uses for old drugs requires ingenuity and scientific rigor. Scientists employ experimental and computational methods to uncover hidden potential. Screening libraries of existing drugs against disease models is common. In silico approaches use computers to predict drug targets and applications. Sophisticated algorithms analyze vast data sets for connections and patterns. The choice of method depends on the research question and resources. Combining methods unlocks new treatments more efficiently and effectively.
Section 5. The best of both worlds. When experiments meet algorithms. In the quest to unlock the full potential of drug repurposing, scientists are increasingly turning to hybrid approaches that combine the strengths of both experimental and in silico methods. Hybrid approaches often involve using in silico methods to narrow down a list of potential drug candidates. These candidates are then subjected to more focused experimental testing to validate their efficacy and safety. This synergistic approach allows researchers to prioritize resources and accelerate the drug discovery process. One example of a hybrid approach is network-based drug repurposing. This method uses computational models to map out the complex networks of interactions between drugs, genes, and diseases. By analyzing these networks, scientists can identify potential drug targets and repurposing opportunities. These predictions can then be validated through experimental testing. By combining the power of computational analysis with the rigor of experimental validation, we can unlock new treatments for diseases more efficiently and effectively.